Media manipulation, the strategic shaping of information dissemination to influence public opinion, is a timeless tool employed by those in power. Throughout history, rulers and governments have utilized various forms of media manipulation to maintain control, sway public sentiment, and divert attention from unfavorable circumstances. By examining the practices of ancient civilizations such as Rome and Greece alongside contemporary examples, we can uncover enduring patterns and tactics in the art of media manipulation. The Roman Empire employed propaganda through various mediums, including official proclamations, speeches, and monuments. Examples include the glorification of military conquests through triumphal arches, and the dissemination of imperial narratives through state-sponsored literature. Augustus Caesar's propaganda campaign, known as the Res Gestae, served to legitimize his rule and solidify his image as a benevolent leader. In ancient Greece, skilled orators such as Demosthenes utilized persuasive speech to sway public opinion and advance political agendas. The Athenian democracy relied heavily on public discourse and persuasion, with rhetoric playing a central role in shaping political decisions. Examples include Demosthenes' speeches against Philip II of Macedon, which aimed to mobilize Athenians against external threats. Governments and political entities in the contemporary era utilize sophisticated propaganda techniques, including mass media, social media, and public relations campaigns. Examples include state-controlled media outlets in authoritarian regimes, which disseminate government-sanctioned narratives while suppressing dissenting voices. Western democracies employ spin doctors and media consultants to manage public perception and control the narrative during crises or political campaigns. And remember the authoritarian regimes cloaked in the attire of democracies, for these are the pernicious type and the most dangerous. The advent of social media has revolutionized the landscape of media manipulation, allowing for the rapid spread of information and disinformation. Governments and political actors exploit social media platforms to disseminate propaganda, sow division, and discredit opponents. Examples include the spread of information about Russia's use of troll farms and fake accounts to influence the 2016 U.S. presidential election, and the proliferation and suppression of information during the COVID-19 pandemic. Media manipulation poses significant challenges to democratic discourse, undermining transparency, accountability, and informed decision-making. The blurring of truth and falsehoods erodes public trust in institutions and fosters polarization and cynicism. Safeguarding the integrity of the media ecosystem requires robust regulatory frameworks, media literacy initiatives, and ethical journalism practices. The use of media manipulation by governments spans across civilizations and epochs, reflecting a fundamental aspect of human nature, the quest for power and influence. By studying historical precedents alongside contemporary examples, we gain insights into the enduring tactics and ethical dilemmas inherent in the manipulation of information. As stewards of democracy and guardians of truth, it is incumbent upon us to remain vigilant against propaganda and disinformation, ensuring that the media remains a force for accountability, enlightenment, and democratic governance.